Xiaomi is back once again with the brand new Redmi Note 11 series. And here we have the Redmi Note 11S. And let's see what their latest offering has in store for all of us. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elle, and for today, let's go ahead and unbox the Redmi Note 11S. So it actually took a while for this phone to arrive, but it's finally here, and I can't wait to see what's inside the box. And based from its camera bump, let's go ahead and do a quick camera tour as well. So without further ado, let's go on with the video. Unbox. For the box, it has Redmi's signature white packaging with a photo of the phone on the front, while the name of the model is written on the sides. Inside the box, you get the phone, but we'll talk about that later on. You also get a small paper box with the important documentation, jelly case, SIM ejector pin, and a screen protector. You also get a USB-C cable and a 33-watt charger. Now let's talk about the phone. The Redmi Note 11S has 3 colorways, and the one we have comes in graphite gray. Now this phone has a minimalist design with a plain matte finish with some Redmi branding on the lower left corner, and you can also see its massive 108 megapixel camera bump on the upper right. I also noticed how this device has a solid boxy build that weighs around 179 grams and it is 8.1 millimeters thick, which adds quite a heft to it, but it feels just right to carry around. While on the front, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection for extra safety. On the right side, you get the volume rocker and power button that doubles as a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. While on the left is where you can find the 3-card slot, while on top you get the 3.5mm audio jack, the other half of the stereo speakers, and the microphone. While on the bottom, you can find the USB-C charging port and stereo speakers. For display, the Redmi Note 11S has a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display with 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate that's perfect for seamless scrolling and smooth gameplays. So far guys, the visuals look so clear and vibrant, and colors are bright and well saturated. And the screen itself delivers really good visual quality. Overall, I really love watching YouTube videos on this one, especially K-pop music videos, since the colors pop out even more. It also has a 700 nits brightness, so this phone should also be good when you use it outdoors or while you're on the go. For the specs, the Redmi Note 11S is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G96 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, but it also has another RAM and storage variant. It also runs on the latest MIUI 13.0 based off Android 11. So far, based from my initial gaming experience, okay naman siya for some light gaming, and if you pair that up with its AMOLED screen, sobrang solid talaga nito guys. And based from our reviews of the Helio G96 before, it is a pretty capable processor, so it should be good for gaming. So if you want to see more of this phone's overall performance, stay tuned for our full review. Going back, powering this phone is a 5000 mAh battery with a 33-watt Pro fast charging capability. Based from that battery size, it should last you for almost 12 hours. It really depends on how you use the phone. But of course, we'll have to put this through our battery test in the full review. When it comes to cameras, the Redmi Note 11S has a large camera bump that's packed with an impressive set of cameras. It has a 108 megapixel f1.9 lens, an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, it has a 16 megapixel f2.4 camera, perfect for selfies and vlogging. For camera settings, it has a Pro mode, perfect for photographers out there that want to have a pro experience when it comes to photography. And for the video, this can film up to 1080p with 30 FPS. It also has the normal photo mode, portrait mode, night mode. You also have the option to use the massive 108 megapixel shooter. It also has a short video, panorama, documents, slow motion, time-lapse, and edit. So you have a lot of options when it comes to being creative, when it comes to photography and taking videos. So far, the Redmi Note 11S still has no official price in the Philippine market, but we're really excited to test out and maximize this phone's performance in our full review. So if you want to be one of the first people to know about its price, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more updates. Also, stay tuned to our full review of the Redmi Note 11S, and let's see if this phone is great for gaming or photography or maybe both. So yeah, also don't forget to check out Unbox.ph for more awesome content. Once again, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.